Investing is easier than you think. You don't need to be a financial expert or spend hours every day staring at charts. If you're a complete beginner, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started confidently and simply. Investing means putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow over time. For beginners, the smartest and easiest approach is investing in broad index funds, or ETFs. These investments automatically give you ownership in hundreds or thousands of companies, providing excellent diversification without the need to research individual stocks. Over the long term, the stock market has historically returned about 7 to 10% per year on average, after accounting for inflation. This steady growth comes from the incredible power of compound interest. Your earnings start generating their own earnings, and the longer your money stays invested, the faster it can grow. Getting started is straightforward. Open a brokerage account with a user-friendly platform such as Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Decide on a realistic monthly amount you can afford. Even small amounts like $50 or $100 can make a big difference over time. Select a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. Finally, set up automatic contributions so your investments happen every month on autopilot. The real secret to successful investing is consistency and patience. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Don't try to time the market or chase hot stocks. Most professional fund managers fail to beat simple index funds over the long run. Keeping your costs low and staying diversified are the keys to success. A common mistake many beginners make is selling their investments when the market drops. The best strategy is to remain invested through market ups and downs. Remember, investing is not the same as gambling when you use a disciplined, long-term approach. You're simply becoming a part owner in real businesses that drive the economy. Start with what you can afford today. Continue learning as you go. Focus on building the habit rather than trying to be perfect. Investing really is much easier than most people realize once you understand the basics. The most important step is taking action. Begin today and build a brighter financial future for yourself.